Hi, this is Lewis from SecurPlus, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the battery of your smoke detector from your Honeywell Proseries alarm system. Now, before we begin, it is important to note that batteries typically last from 4 to 5 years, and smoke detectors last from 8 to 10 years. So if it's your second time replacing your battery, it is probably because your smoke detector is due. So on the side of your smoke detector, you'll see right here, the date of fabrication, so 2024, and the day to replace it by, so 2035. Usually you should replace it, as I said, between 8 to 10 years. So in this case, it would be 2032. If you turn around your smoke detector around, you should see two little lines right here. Now, to remove your smoke detector from its casing, match up the lines, so counterclockwise. You should hear a click, and it should easily come off. You'll see the two batteries right here, and you can pull it out like that, and it should pop straight out. Once again, these batteries are CR123A, 3 volts, which you'll find in any general store, or we could provide it to you here at SecurPlus. So grab your new batteries and make sure the polarities align. So negative to negative and positive to positive. Just like that. Again, negative to negative, positive to positive, bottom, and press on to the top. Now with your casing, find the two lines right here, align them together, and turn the smoke detector clockwise until you hear a click. So I hope this video was helpful for you to replace the battery of your Proseries smoke detector. Once again, if you are ever uncomfortable about changing batteries of any of your sensors, you can always call us or go to our website at www.securplus.com to request a technician to either replace your batteries or replace the entire smoke detector itself, which would require reprogramming. So be sure to follow us on YouTube for many more helpful videos like this, and check out our social media platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest technologies, our latest alarm systems, video surveillance systems, and our latest services. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you soon.